Welcome to Toodaloo-Two's activities. Today, we're making a snail puppet, like this one. I colored mine with green, yellow, and blue crayons, but you can choose to use other ones if you want. Let's get started. So here are all the things that you'll need to make your snail puppet. First, you'll need your snail cutout. If you got our activity bags, you'll have a wood snail cutout inside. But if you don't, you can just find a picture of a snail on the internet and print it on a piece of paper and cut it out. And that'll work just as well. So you have your snail cutout. You'll also need a popsicle stick or a straw, something that you can put your snail on. In your bag, you'll also get eyes. We're using sticker eyes, but if you have wiggly eyes at home, you can use those too. Something to draw with. We're going to use crayons, but markers are just as good, and so are pencils. The last thing you need, and this isn't in your bags, so you'll have to get this on your own, is a little bit of tape. I suggest that you have a grown-up help you with tape, because tape can be pretty hard, sometimes even for grown-ups like me. So here's how we make it, now that we have all of our supplies. First, take a little piece of tape. It's okay to have a grown-up help you. Put your popsicle stick on the back of your snail, so it kind of looks like an ice cream cone. And just tape it right down, like that, so that your snail will stay on your stick. Awesome. Next, you can color your snail however you like. That's what mine looks like so far. It's okay if it takes you a little bit longer than it's taking me. I'm going pretty fast, but you can take as long as you need. It's about having fun, not going fast. There we go. My snail is looking great. Last thing I'm going to do is add some eyes. I have to decide if I want one eye or two eyes. I think I just want one. Look how big this snail's eye is. And there we go, all done. Now that my snail is done, I like to play with it. If you put your arm up like this and your snail behind it, you can make it look like your snail is crawling on your arm. Or if you go to the edge of the table, you can make it look like it's crawling on the table. Very fun. I like to sing the rhyme. Slowly, slowly, very slowly goes the garden snail. Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the garden trail. But now that snail thinks it's a mouse and it's gonna go. Quickly, quickly, very quickly goes the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly in the little house.